What's up? And this is my second video on YouTube, and as I promised, this is the coding of how to make this game, T-Rex game on p5.js using JavaScript. p5.js supports Java language, as you can figure out from the name only, p5.js. JS stands for JavaScript. Now I'll just pause it and see. First, variable is equals to 1, variable and is equals to 0. See, I am declaring the global variables here, which states that play is equals to 1. Means if you know the game state, that play is equals to 1, and that initial game state is equals to play, as you can see here. And now if the T-Rex touches the cactus, then the game state changes to end, means 0. And then if we click restart button, then it again changes to play, that is 1, and so it starts running. Now here you can see that I have added a lot of things. I will introduce them to you one by one. Where T-Rex, where means variable, T-Rex running, T-Rex provided, where ground, invisible ground image. See, first one, where T-Rex means that this T-Rex, and as you can see that and yes, sorry for the pause, and unfortunately there was a short internet connection, so I had to pause a little, and sorry to it. And as I was introducing you the variables, the second T-Rex means that this our T-Rex, and T-Rex running means, see, T-Rex running is an animation that will be applied to the T-Rex when it is running. See, like now it's running and now it stopped because it hit an obstacle. T-Rex collided. It collided with the obstacle. Then its image will change to this. And now you can see that the second thing is this ground. See, this ground. So for this ground, variable ground I have declared. This is a variable. It can take any value. And invisible ground is that you cannot see. Invisible ground is made for a purpose that I will tell you later on. And this ground image is for the image of this ground, as you can see here. Now let's talk about the variable clouds group and cloud image. See, the clouds group means these clouds, as you can see, that are moving here, and these two clouds that are moving are declared by the clouds group. There are a group of clouds that are moving, so it is declared as clouds group. And then cloud image means, as you can see, that it needs an image, so here it is the image of it. And now let's move to the second group, where obstacles group. These are the obstacles, as you can see, and as you see, there are different kinds of obstacles in a same group. See, there are 2 cactus here and 1 cactus here. So these are the 6 types of obstacles declared in one obstacles group. And this part is clear to you. So now here is the variable score, and the initial score is 0, as you can see. And as the T-Rex moves, then the score increases, and the highest score, you can see the local store is highest score. See, every time I restart, the scores start from 0 again, but highest score is in local storage, so it is stored for a long time. And see, the score is more than highest score. Now the highest score is updated 121. So the highest score that you make in a single game will be shown here. Now this I skipped this thing. Sorry, variable game over. That variable game over. You can see here that game over is written here. And restart. Restart means that this symbol icon. I mean the restart icon you can see here. And local storage I already said what it is. And then function reload. And here is the function symbol, as you can see. This means this is a function, as you can see here. Function reload. Functions in JS can be made by our own, and there are two functions initially in the JS that are function setup. As you can see here, function setup is understood that what to do when it is set up, and this is the function drawing. See, the difference between setup and drawing is setup runs only for once, means it will create the T-Rex only for once, but the function draw will run forever. That is, it will keep repeating. See that spawn clouds means this is a function for spawning clouds, or you can say to make the clouds appear. So this function will be repeated forever, that is, as it is inside this function draw. Inside this function draw, so it will get repeated forever, so that there is a loop, and there is no disturbance, and the cloud does not disappear at one time suddenly. So let's move on. Yes, we were in function preload. See, first T-Rex running. First, as you can see here, the T-Rex is running. So first T-Rex underscore running is equals to load animation. Load animation means what are the animations of it. See, the difference between picture and animation is picture means just a picture, as you can see, just a drawing, and animation means a bigger thing, means many pictures that are moving together, like T-Rex1.png, T-Rex3.png, T-Rex4.png. As you can see here, his foots are moving, so we have to apply different animations so it appears that his foot or his legs are moving. And here you can see, here are many files stored here. First is sketch.js, which you can see here. This is the sketch, and this is index. Here index you can copy from me, as this index you can't think of your own to write, and style.css, p5.play.js, and yes, tx1.png. Here the png is not loading now, but in the game it's loading. Okay. T-Rex3.png, T-Rex4.png, these are all the images, and see that you have to store these images in the sketch files. Okay, see here, if you select create file, upload file, or create folder means you can create a new folder, means which can store all the images of it or the animations whatever you say. Create file means only a file will be added if you want to make some additional changes. See, like if you want to make a sun here sign, then you can create a file and upload is the image of a sun. And if you already have the image of a sun or whatever you want to upload, then you can upload file from here. It will redirect you to the library of yourself where you can select the image which you want to upload. Okay, now let's continue. See the T-Rex collided.png, this image, this one, this is the T-Rex collided.png, and this is ground.png. Ground.png is here, game over, here, restart, here, this is the icon, and the clouds are here. Clouds are the same always, so only one cloud, and it will keep repeating. And here are the obstacles png. You can't see many obstacles, but my screen size is a little low, so only 1, 5 and 2 obstacles are visible. But after that, when you make, you should make sure that all the obstacles you have to put the png of it. Okay. So sketch.js, I will go there and here. See, T-Rex running is equals to load animation. See here, you have to maintain the alignment. So your code looks nice, and you have to put this an enter button after every statement that you declare. See here, here is the semicolon for declaring the statement. It means that this statement has to be run. If I don't put the semicolon, then these two statements, load animation, this whole one and this whole one, will be considered one statement, and we won't, and that will make a confusion for us. So I will see. Now it's not making any confusions, but if there are some tough codes, then it will definitely make some problem to, and you don't want so why take the risk? So now T-Rex collided image, I said you that the load animation T-Rex collided.png, this one is collided image, then ground image is equals to load image. See here, if I have not declared the ground on the top, like see here where ground, then no problem, I can declare it here, like by saying variable ground image is equals to load image. Load image means to load the image of the ground2.png. This ground is ground2 name. It's saved by the name of the ground2. And now see that it's cloud image, return of cloud. Here the cloud, you can see cloud.png, it's loading image, and here are the 6 obstacles and their images. It's not necessary that you save by the same name as the item here, so you can save by different names. Here I have saved it ground and obstacle, so I have to use that obstacle only. If I save the name as you say obstacle 8, then I will have to use here obstacle 8, and if I not, then it will show error and it will not run. I mean, some will run, but the obstacle 5 will not, because there is no obstacle 5.png. As I replaced it with the obstacle 8. Now game over image. Game over image means